In this video we are going to check out the best 5 pruning saw. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5. TARVOL Heavy-Duty Pruning Saw. Curve styling makes cutting and trimming effortless. Incredibly strong and versatile, can easily cut through branches, limbs up to 8 inches thick. Pistol-style grip gives you a comfortable sturdy feel while cutting, sawing. Perfect for pruning landscape. Convenient hanging hole for storage. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. TABOR Tools Curved Blade Saw. The blade locks in folded and unfolded positions for safety. 3 to 4 inch cutting capacity saw depending on the type of wood. The teeth are impulse hardened to increase their hardness and lifespan of the blade. Blade is rust resistant and the teeth design prevent sap buildup. Blade with a 3-dimensional cutting edge. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. FLORA Guard Folding Hand Saw. Ideal saw for cutting through large tree branches. Triple cut razor teeth hardened to stay sharp for smooth, fast sawing. Ergonomic and comfortable handle, an easy to carry and use hand saw. Fully hardened stainless steel 7.7-inch saw blade. Dedicating to make a better tools for gardeners. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Home Planet EVERSAW Folding Saw. EVERSAW 8.0 is a high-quality tool with a lifetime warranty. Triple-cut razor teeth hardened to stay sharp for smooth, fast sawing. Multipurpose utility job saw. Easy and safe to carry. Ergonomic, slip-resistant, comfort grip handle. Adjustable medium tooth blade. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Corona 10-inch Folding Pruning Saw. The Corona Folding Razor Tooth Saw is extremely fast and efficient. Each razor tooth saw blade goes through 4 manufacturing processes for maximum durability. Available in a variety of blade sizes. 10-inch blade is ideal for cutting 5 to 6-inch diameter, small to medium, branches. Cuts are smoother and quicker than a traditional saw. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.